YouTube, what's going on? I let a subscriber cut my hair. So I'm gonna be challenging at the end of this video a few YouTube barbers, because I know these YouTube barbers, man, they be trying to look good all the time. They don't like to let just anybody cut their hair. So this might be something that, you know, they don't really want to do, but we're gonna challenge them anyway. So at the end of this video, I will be challenging some YouTube barbers. Anyways, let's get this video started. I let a subscriber cut my hair. All right, Devin, you ready, bro?
Yes, sir.
This is Devin. Met him over here at Loganville, Georgia. Don't let me hang. There we go. I was embarrassing for a little bit. Yo, you got me? You gonna hook me up?
Yes, sir. I'm gonna put you back in the game, man.
All right, let's do it, man. Taking the glasses off. Let's do this. This is the first ever letting a subscriber cut my hair. Edition 1. That's how we're gonna call it.
No pressure.
Type of cut you getting, man?
I'm gonna do a high taper. Nothing off the top. High taper. I guess that's really high in the back, high up here, and then with the beard, just keep it up as high as possible. It don't even have to be sharp or anything like that. I'm just trying to let it grow as much as I can.
So you want it to be a bald high taper?
Ball high taper, yep.
Alright.
You want that high tape in the back too?
Yeah, high taper in the back too, yep.
Nice. That go be easy too, Devin. I like that.
Got a lot of heads today?
Yeah, man. I don't remember how many I cut today, but I know I just got done with about 4 or 5
Yeah, it's Friday. It's Friday, right?
Yeah, Friday, man.
It's Friday. Y'all close at 6:15 on Friday?
Open at 8, yeah.
Oh, you guys open early.
Yeah, we open early.
Oh, Benny's old school. He likes to get in early so he can leave at a decent time.
Man, he get in here like 4 o'clock in the morning sometimes.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
That's dope. Alright, now let's get into this cut. We are in tutorial mode. He's putting his initial guideline in using what he told me was his favorite trimmer, the Skeleton FX's. And he's gonna do the blend with what he told me was his favorite clipper, the Magic Clips. Believe it or not, he rocks with the Magic Clips. Everybody has their own preference. And he's putting in his next guideline with the blade open, and now you can see he's attacking that bottom line. I like the technique. Now guys, part of this challenge isn't just you're letting a subscriber cut your hair. Yo, I'm holding the camera right now trying to get these angles, bro. I had like a monopod, and then I had the hand camera. So I had a couple cameras going because these guys are subscribers. They're not YouTubers. They're not used to recording their own cuts. So, you know, you gotta kind of work together to make sure the cut is being caught. You know what I'm saying? And there were times where his shoulder would get in the way, and you know, that was part of the challenge as well. So don't sleep on this challenge, YouTubers. Okay, he's using the half guard. You can tell he's detailing. You can see the blend is coming together. He got a light touch for sure. For sure, he got a light touch. Give me that high neck taper. That's what I like. I like high taper. Some of you guys like mid tapers, low. I'm a high taper guy. And he's keeping his steps consistent. Number 1 open. He definitely uses the flick out motion. You can see he was using that flick out motion. And in this part, you'll see like there's parts where look, his shoulder gets in the way and the camera like loses focus on me. I'm telling you, man, we did our best. We did our best. So anyways, we're about to get out of tutorial mode because I want you guys to hear some of the cool conversations and stories that were told during this subscriber challenge. And it was really cool, man. These guys are definitely good people, man, here in the shop. So out of tutorial mode now.
Some homeless people are picky.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like I'm saying, hey, can you cut my hair, man?
Damn, that's crazy.
I met some good people there, man. Real good people, dude. I've seen guys, literally, we was able to inspire them to get off the streets, and they changed their life around, bro.
Oh,
I had a
dope.
guy, I remember, I love telling people this. I had a guy that I had went and got, and he was a real, humble guy. He fell on some hard times. He had lost his wife and everything, had a divorce, and he said he was a six-figure man, and he just went on the deep end.
Yeah.
And got on drugs. And nobody would talk to him though. Even though they're homeless, a lot of them still like mingle with each other and stuff like that. And nobody would never talk to him. He'd be by himself. So it was one of the days we were supposed to go out and pick somebody to cut. And I saw him by himself, and I was like, that's who I want. And just so happened, man, the dude just needed somebody to talk to, and he expressed how he was feeling. He got stuff off his chest to me. And like a year later, because I was in barber school part-time, so it was 2 years. And like a year later, he when I cut his hair, he told me, he said, I don't have any money, but I'm going to bless you when I do get it. And a year later, he came back to our new barber school. I didn't even know he knew that we moved. But he came to my new barber school, and he said he had hit the lottery. He had cleaned his life up. Yep. Right.
You hit the lottery?
He hit the lottery. I know, right?
That's crazy.
Yeah, man. I'll never forget that, though, because he kept his word.
So a lot of the walk-ins were homeless.
Yeah.
Did any of them ever be like, yo, I'm gonna enroll in this school?
Yeah. We had some that will ask questions about how to get into school and things like that.
Yeah. We kind of talked yesterday or whatever, kind of like your journey. You started at like a slower shop and you stayed loyal and just kind of worked hard, tried to build your clientele, but realized you needed to move locations, and now you're here and you feel like you've been doing great, right?
I've been super successful here, man, from day one, actually.
Yeah.
And then it was getting out of my comfort zone. You know what I mean? I realized I was in a setting where I had got too comfortable. That's how I got this weight put on me. But coming here was something different. It was different culture, different vibe, and but I felt like family here. You know what I mean? Like,
that's dope.
Everybody.
Culture was different.
Way different. Yeah. Very different.
Hey, it's looking blurry. It's looking blurry.
Right.
Put me in the game, Devin.
Hey. I told you, man. That's what we do. Yeah, coming to this shop made me a faster barber too, man.
Yeah, Benny's quick, I could tell.
Bro, you don't play.
Yeah.
In and out. Good burger.
Good burger. You gotta be able to balance the two, man. Barbering ain't just quality cuts, man. It's people don't want to be in the chair all day either, you know?
Exactly. Yep.
Like, sometimes I gotta think about whether I'm gonna get my hair cut or not because of time. Like yesterday, I needed a cut, but I didn't want to spend the time in the chair. I didn't even want to spend 30 minutes in the chair because I had things to do. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And if I know you, if I get my hair cut by you and I know you are somebody who takes 45 minutes to an hour, it's definitely going to close the window even more. Mm-hmm. You know what I'm saying? Because I really, really got to plan ahead to get my hair cut with you, even though I want to because the quality's there. You know what I'm saying? I might go with somebody else just because I know I'll get out quicker.
Yeah.
And have a decent cut, you know?
Yeah. So you taught me that, man.
Yeah.
Because when I first came here, bro, I used to take like an hour and a half on cuts, man.
That's pretty normal though, man. It's normal in the beginning to take forever. You're gonna learn your shortcuts. You're gonna learn your quicker techniques, especially with different type of cuts, right? Like,
yep. brother.
You out of here?
It was nice meeting you, man.
Andres, likewise. Andres is the reason why I came to this shop, man. He reached out when I put it on. How you saw that I was looking for a shop? On Instagram or YouTube?
On Instagram.
On Instagram?
On
Yeah.
Instagram, yeah. I was watching the live at night, and then
That's what's up.
I saw you say you were coming to Georgia. I thought you were doing a class here. That's why I messaged you, and then you said you were here because of family. So
Yeah.
but man, it was a blessing to have you here.
Thanks,
it was awesome.
man.
We learned so much from you.
Yo, but tell them the story about the customer yesterday.
Oh, so I was finishing up this little kid, and I saw that Chris was here, so I asked him, you know, just check it out, see if there's anything I could do that'd be a little bit better. And the tip that he gave me was to brush down the hair, put a little bit of pomade or something on it, and brush it. And I noticed that the lineup, it wasn't as crispy as I had made it, so I fixed that up. And then so he ended up leaving. The guy was happy, and he heard that Chris was like saying all this stuff, so he tipped me good. And then after that, I got another guy, basically the same texture hair. I brushed it down after.
This is after I left, right?
Right after you left, yeah. And this guy, he always pays me $25, and he ended up giving me $40 for that. And I saw as he was walking out, he was telling his wife that he was like saying that he put something in my hair, and he was brushing it down. So that's cool, man. Thanks a lot, Chris.
Yeah, no doubt, man. It's a pleasure meeting you, man. Thanks for having me here.
All right, bro. All right,
Dope. So what's the plan for 2020, bro? You got any big things you trying to accomplish?
Yeah, for one, I want to get this weight off.
Okay.
I got to get back in shape because I realized, man, now that I'm in a much busier shop, I can feel the weight, on my body and stuff.
Yeah.
And it's like, that's key, bro. I didn't think that weight would be a big factor in this, this field, but it really is. And then I'm looking at getting my own YouTube started.
There you go.
Yeah.
Make sure you follow Devin, man. Check him out on Instagram. What's the Instagram?
Devin_the barber.
Devin, we'll put it in the beginning too. So y'all make sure y'all follow him on Instagram so you know when he launched that. You already got the YouTube channel?
Not yet, man.
So when he launched, you guys know, y'all be ready for it. So make sure you follow his Instagram.
A lot of barbers looking at me like, man, you rich, bro. You always busy. Like, some days, bro, I'll come in and never stop. You know what I mean? But I mean, I give that up to Benny, though, man. He really, showed me how to get faster and pretty much how to, where you can eliminate certain things that, you can figure out other ways of doing it faster. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I was doing everything the beginner way, and then he showed me the more entry level, not just the, when you just don't know nothing. You know what I mean? On your 2-year mark, did you feel like you learned a lot? Like, what years did you feel that you learned the most? First, second, third, what?
Honestly, I feel like I learned the most a year ago, 2 years ago.
Really?
Really learning, yeah. When I started educating, bro, that's when I started learning the most because I had to fully understand stuff so that I could explain it. You know what I mean? I had to ask myself why a bunch of times. Like, I know I do this all the time, but why? And so that's when I really started, not just knowing that certain techniques work, but understanding why those techniques work. So yeah, I would say just like 2 years ago, man. When I was making good money, bro, behind the chair, it made me even more motivated. It made me even more motivated to put in more hours because I knew I was gonna get paid for my time and for my efforts. So the more effort I put in, the more money I would make and the more I could build with it, you know? See, he listens. He listens. He knows I was trying to let my hairline grow back because I pushed it back the last time I cut myself, and he listens.
Yeah, that's key. That's key. I've actually gained clientele because of that. They said, man, you did what I said and then do what you wanted to do.
I got a lot of young viewers, so I know they're gonna want to know, what were you charging when you were 12?
Bro, I started off charging $5.
$5.
Yeah, $5. That was head and everything.
And when was this? Like around what time?
This was about, I'm 28, so that was like 2004.
2004. There you go, young boys.
Yeah.
Back then, he was charging $5. You can start out at 10. It's alright. Start at 10.
It's cool now, man. Hey, bro, get it. Man. If I know anything like I knew now, that the type of quality I was doing at that time, and bro, believe it or not, all I had was just a clipper, no trimmers. And my cousin had sent my clippers where they could line up. Yeah. Did everything with just that, man. Pair of Walmart cheap clippers, bro. Plastic bag over them, going to work, man. And my cousin taught me about sanitation, so I kept everything clean. Yeah. I was on from there, man.
Devin hooked your boy up.
Yes, sir.
Subscriber cuts my hair. The first one ever. Appreciate you, bro. Thanks a lot, man. Make sure y'all follow him, man. Here we go. We're going to challenge some YouTube barbers. Now, before I challenge these barbers, I need to set out the rules. The subscriber haircut challenge, it goes like this, all right? You cannot get your haircut by somebody you already know. It's got to be somebody you don't know. The way I did it was, I reached out, I put it on Instagram stories, and I put it in some of my YouTube videos. I was just asking for a local barbershop that I could go to. Somebody got back to me, asked me to let them cut my hair, and that's how I found the subscriber that was gonna cut my hair. Obviously, the person needs to be subscribed to your channel. It's gotta be a subscriber. This guy has been a subscriber for 3 years. So I just thought he was perfect to cut my hair. Never seen him cut hair before. So anyways, let's make this challenge fun, man. I'm going to challenge, drum roll please, Yo Fonz, 360 Jeezy, and David Fowler. I don't know if y'all ready for this, man. I don't know. Some of these guys, man, they take care of their hair. They always getting their cut. They're always fresh. Fonz's hairline is always like, you know, a problem. You know, Jeezy's always taking care of his waves. I remember one time I cut his hair. It's like, bro, you're the first person I let cut the top down. This was a long time ago. You know what I'm saying? So this gonna be fun to watch. Make sure to let them know I challenged them on the subscriber haircut challenge.